It's important to note that mortgage underwriters want to see multiple positive trade lines on your credit report before they'll approve you for a home loan. The same thing is often true as well for auto loans. That's why we recommend that you have at least 2 open credit cards on your credit report so that you're building credit the best way possible. Think of having 2 credit cards as having 2 separate accounts that are both showing you as a responsible, good credit risk. Lenders are more willing to lend you money because you're giving them more and more evidence that you're able to manage your finances. Plus, from a scoring standpoint, opening 2 cards at the same time just makes more sense. The more accounts you have building positive payment history means the more your score will benefit both short and long term. In addition, you now have 2 separate accounts that are aging on your credit report and helping you prove you can responsibly manage your finances over a lengthy period of time. Remember, you may be doing great managing your first credit card, but you need to have multiple cards open to really achieve your financial goals. One thing we wanted to point out is that with certain companies, it's actually possible to apply for 2 secured cards all at once through one simple application. The secured credit card you can apply for that you see linked beneath the video is an example. Ultimately, we hope that you understand why it's to your benefit to open multiple accounts on your credit report. By having multiple open accounts on your credit report, you're really putting yourself in a situation where you can reach your financial goals, like qualifying for a home mortgage. Thanks for watching today's video.